When our little builder is working in his Real Projects Workshop, the possibilities are endless. This deluxe workshop is the ultimate in creative play, keeping him engaged and stimulated for hours on end. The fully functioning workbench includes an assortment of realistic-looking foam wood pieces that interlock easily together with notches, and they also have holes for screws and nuts. As your child works with his hands to manipulate the pieces, he'll develop fine motor skills, hand-eye coordination, and greater concentration. These foam wood building pieces are so fun to work with. The blueprints included on the workbench give great ideas on what to build with the wood foam. Your child can use his imagination to construct unlimited structures. Your child can also try his hand at the battery-operated power drill, which makes realistic sounds and comes with interchangeable drill bits. The sturdy table has plenty of built-in features, like a pull-out storage bin, top and bottom shelves, and a spring action vise. The pegboard and adjustable angle finder add to the realism of this amazingly detailed work table. The Real Projects Workshop comes with lots of hard-working accessories, including an electronic drill and drill bits, screws and nuts, saw, hammer, and wood foam pieces. Oh, and another cool bonus, the wood foam pieces float in water, so they double as fun bath time toys.